Oh, good morning everyone. I'm here again, Nita Buenafi on my YouTube channel. Hope you enjoy watching on my video and please subscribe my channel and like and share, comment and share. Ay kuya, magkano po? Sampo. Pabili nga po. Pwede po dito ilagay? Ha? Oh. Okay. Matamis po. Matamis po. Sana pwede masyadong matamis. Po, pwede. Along the highway. Ay, bye. Buko Jesus. And buko juice is very delicious. Come and buy now for kuya. Ay, kuya. Ha? Hindi. Nagbablog ako. Say hi. Shout out. So, I buy. Oh my God. Oh my God. I buy buko juice. It's good for this month. Oo. Hello, mga kuya. Good morning. Ah, try lang po. Good morning. Oh, hello daw. Shout out po kuya. Hello po. Yes. Diyan po kayo sa may ano? Ito po. Okay. Okay. Okay, kuya. Here po, kung gusto niyo pong this is the Grab taxi drivers, kuya. Hindi ka ba kasali? Say hi, kuya.
Mga service dito lang.
Yes.
Dito sa Astro Park.
Yes,
Mura
Astro
lang
Park.
aming presyo.
Yeah. Grab is
Mababait ang mga driver dito.
yes.
Gwapo pa.
Okay, kuya, thank you so much. Yes, if you want to rent if you want to rent the Grab car here in yes, here in front of Astro, we have a rent a car, the Grab car. Kuya say if you need a Grab, just text and call. But I don't. Oh my God, I didn't get the number. Yeah. Oh my gosh. So yum. Oh. Today is a sunny day. And I'm here again. I'm here again, everyone. Oh, sorry, excuse. Grab taxi is very easy to go everywhere you want. If you want service. Hello po. Yes po, good morning. So, mainit today. Today, so oh. I thank you. Hello, Jollibee. Good morning. Hello po. Yes. Good morning. Good morning po. Hi. Yes. I saw you. Hello po, kuya. Good morning. Yes. Makakarating po. Panoorin nyo lang po ni Nita Buenafe sa YouTube channel ko. Oh. Oh, thank you, Lord. Wow. I'm here alone in the way of my front of oh my God. In front of the dress store.
Good, ma'am. Yes. Take care.
Ay, si Kuya. Gigi store. Hello, Kuya. Nag-Gcash ka? Magkano yung Gcash niyo?
20 pesos po per 1 Magkano?
Oh my God. I need, hello, everyone. I need to start my video part because I need to use my phone. I sent to my son. So, allowance. Okay, bye-bye. See you in my next video. Mwah.